Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. And here is PSD Mockup Mega Pack. Size is 3.18 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed, but these are protected. Password in this app buy now for lifetime, all password in this app. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is Telegram channel, subscribe me for latest notification. Okay, first book mockup, flares, magazines, etc. depend your choice, you can adjust. Okay, here is a newspaper, for example, open it, and I have no any newspaper design, but apply this one, for example. Oh, we need high definition photo. Check this one now, but Control S, and you see our design is here. Here is a magazine, open book, and book hardcover. Next is computer mockup. Here is 7 file. Here is tab, and here is on screen and phone. Control S. Okay, next is poster flare mockup. You can adjust one by one, for example, this one. $2,000. Control S, and design is here. Remove background. Phone and tablets mockup. Next is poster. Here is 26. You can open in Photoshop and write your own thing. For example, here is design. You can write anything. I just change a color. Control X. You see now. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care of the office.